This exercise is designed to help open your heart chakra. Find a comfortable position and uncross your arms and legs. Loosen any tight clothing. At any point during the exercise, know that you can shift your position in any way that you need to without disturbing your state of relaxation. Close your eyes and begin to turn inward, letting go of everything you were thinking about or doing before you began this exercise, and letting go of anything that needs doing after this exercise. Bring the tip of your tongue to your upper palate, just behind the front teeth. From the back of the throat, draw your inhale in through the nose and follow it across the back of the throat, down behind your heart, and all the way into your belly and low back region. As you exhale, follow the air back up behind the heart, across the back of the throat, and exhale through the nose. Take a few breaths in and out just like this, finding a nice rhythm. Just notice what it feels like to mindfully breathe. Now bring your awareness into your heart center, the place right in the middle of your chest at the level of the breast and where the spine would intersect. In Eastern medicine, this is where your heart chakra sits. Using your mind's eye, see and feel, to the best of your abilities, a ball of brilliant white swirling light right in the middle of your heart center. Start with something smaller, like the size of a golf ball or a tennis ball. As that ball begins to manifest, you may feel like there's a pressure pushing on your chest or a pressure pushing out from your chest. For some of you, this may feel challenging initially. Don't worry. It may take some time to strengthen your visualization muscle. Just see that white ball and feel it to the best of your ability. Trust that it will get easier with practice. The heart center is about the lesson of unconditional love, the ability to give love without condition, and the ability to receive love. This is often a challenge because we make love conditional. If you really loved me, you would act like this, or look like that. The heart is blocked by the emotions of grief, both anger and sadness. We are first angered that things are not as they should be, according to our desires, and then feel sad about the loss. In order to release these emotions, we must accept what is, so that we can move forward. If not, the heart stays blocked. So let's see if we can shift and release any grief, any heaviness from your heart by bringing in the elixirs of the heart: compassion, empathy, forgiveness, acceptance, and love. Fill your ball of light with one or more of these: compassion, empathy, forgiveness, acceptance, and love. Maybe one of these words resonates even more for you today, and if so, allow it to be the predominant feeling inside that ball. Or maybe there's a shifting between these words. Just allow whatever comes up to exist in your ball of white light. Now allow your ball of light to occupy a little more space in your chest. Make it an inch or two larger all around. Again, see it and feel it to the best of your ability. Let's make it even bigger and fill your entire chest with that beautiful white light. Now send that light out into the rest of your torso. Fill your arms, legs, and head with that light, all the way to the tips of the toes and fingers and to the crown of the head. Allow every cell in your body to be permeated with this white light. See if you can now send that light out an inch or two around you, as if you had a halo of white light surrounding you. Take a few minutes to just be. Begin to notice how your thoughts, emotions, and body have shifted since you started this exercise. Just observe without judgment or attachment. If you would like to stay a little longer in this place, pause the recording now until you are ready to come out. When you're ready, begin to wiggle your toes and fingers. Deepen your breath. bring your awareness back into the present and the room where you are, grounding yourself back to the here and now. As you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling alert and refreshed.